Hello everyone, it's Jeffrey again. I'm going to be doing another reaction video again, and this time I am reacting to a second video from BadlandsChugs, and this time I'm reacting to the video of Fridge Cold Mountain Dew Voltage Stealth Chug. Let's Chug of 2021. So yeah, I'm gonna react. So yeah, I am gonna be reacting to it. So yeah, so before I even start, I wanna give a disclaimer here. If you do not like the content I make, the reaction videos, or any of the stuff I do on my channel, if you don't like them, then don't watch and go somewhere else. Because all you'll be doing is giving me a view, and that's the damn truth, everyone. Just the damn truth. So now, without further ado, and before reason why I was banging in my head because I was because I'm letting all this positive energy out of me. So now, without further ado, let's get into the video. What now?
Hey folks, you know I wasn't about to end the year without doing a fridge cold Mountain Dew voltage chug. Don't touch that glass.
Voltage stealth chug.
Yes, folks, welcome back to BadlandsChugs. And on the last chug of 2021, we are doing a Mountain Dew that's on the tip of the iceberg. By your request, we're doing Mountain Dew Voltage. For those that don't know, this is Mountain Dew that's charged with raspberry citrus flavor and a little bit of ginseng. Oh man, I'm gonna be bouncing off the walls bringing in the new year after this one. Oh man. And you know, it is fridge cold. Like it's supposed to be, all right? So there's nothing else left to do, folks, but step into the chug zone, okay? So, crack this bad boy open. That's what I'm talking about. And let's put it into the DOS boot, okay? Let's bring the year out in the big old 2-liter DOS boot. Oh, yes. Fill this bad boy up. Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay, that's one. Second pour. Yes. Look at that nice supercharged voltage flavor, okay? Woo, this is cold. Cracking the last one open now.
Oh boy.
Yeah. I missed the lens that time, but it's all good. I'll get you in 2022. Yes. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. All right? And I guess everyone knows what Mountain Dew Voltage tastes like. But for my people who never tried this before, let me do a little taste test. It's delicious. Oh my goodness, that's all I can say. And before I chug this fridge cold goodness, I just want to wish everyone a happy new year. All the best in 2022. May 2022 be everything that you imagine it will be, that you want it to be. And let's just have a great year, folks, okay? Thank you for all the love, all the support that you've shown BadlandsChugs and OK Hip Hop. And yes, more is coming, okay? And you know this is a two-way street. Anything you want to see me do, just put it in the description, okay? So this thing is freezing my hand, so it's time to do this. This is fridge cold goodness in 30-degree weather, all right? So you know what comes next. Enough talk. Let's chug this. The last chug of 2021. Cheers.
Yeah, it's already building. Yeah. Woo! Woo!
That was frigid. Fridge cold goodness. Whew. Man. It don't get no colder than this, ladies and gentlemen. Oh,
yeah.
man. And look at the boot afterwards.
Excuse you,
That
Badlands.
is some coldness, okay?
Excuse you, man.
Yes. So, that's it for Badlands Chugs for 2021. And yo, we're gonna do it awesome in 2022 as well, all right? So keep watching and let me know what y'all want to see, okay? For Badlands Chugs, I love you lots. Peace and blessings to you. May God bless you as well. We are out. Peace. Chugging the world, one bottle at a time. Badlands Chugs is back.
That's the end of the video. And I hope you guys like this reaction video. And I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on every time I upload. And share my videos and reactions to your friends and family also. If you want to. It's your day, it's your choice. Because I ain't forcing you. So yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to BadlandsChugs if you're new. Subscribe to his channel if you're new. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe if you haven't yet. So yeah. And we're on the road to 2K subscribers and maybe 3K subscribers. And I'll see y'all with more banger reactions to come. And I'll see y'all all in the next time. Peace out, everyone.